Hello and welcome. I am JV with the Cyber and U team, and today we're going to go over how to modify the host file on our Windows 10, Server 2012, or Server 2016 machine. This also works on earlier versions of the Windows operating systems, but a quick explanation on what the host file is. So it is the way your machine maps host names to IP addresses. So what this means is, for instance, I can change google.com to actually route to a different IP that is not associated with google.com. So I can make it display something else except what you would expect with the Google homepage. That's one way to either blacklist websites, or you can even make things easier on yourself by, if you know an IP to a site, you can change that to whatever you want it to be, and you can type it into a browser and it'll go directly to that. So for instance, if I put in my own host IP, it'll send me to my IIS. So let's go ahead and just demonstrate this real quick. So if I go in, type in google.com, nothing should pop up just because I am not connected to the outside world on this machine, because it's a VM that I closed within a private network. So as you can see, this page cannot be displayed, but we're going to go ahead and change that by editing the host file. So I'm going to close out of that, go to the File Explorer itself, and then go to this PC, C drive, Windows, and we're going to scroll down to System 32, and then we're going to scroll down again to the driver folder, and then you're going to go to etc or etc, and then you're going to see the host file right here. You're just going to double click on it and then click on Notepad and then click OK. So this will give you a quick explanation as to what this file is, what it does, and some examples. And in this example, we're actually going to point to ourselves, which is 127.0.0.1, and the website I want to point towards that is google.com. And by doing that, I should be seeing not the typical google.com web page, but a different web page that is correlating to that 127.0.0.1. So we're going to go ahead and save this, and then we're going to open up Internet Explorer again, and now we're going to type in google.com. And as you can see, by typing in google.com, we actually see a different website than the typical Google search engine. And that is pretty much how you edit a host file. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again.